Office of the Special Prosecutor. Office one ankasa de ade na ho. Because enche na Martin Amidu ode na adwuma eto se nya ade se obetimi ato aso biem. Na bebre na anim se Martin Amidu de oye NDC ni na nanado command appointment. Tiati se de ode amoku aye nkate oye den obekọ ni diem. Inti ebra sansan ne ba abonten no. Bebi Ghana fo bebre na aka se nanado ye kan. Adanti na MPP ni wo ho na wokofa position e de koma NDC ni. Inti ekoye nsem bebre ana amanfo e baahye eye nanado se ene Martin Amidu se ono nanado eye mother serpent of corruption dia nefri ono sanse ohunu kan se MPP ma wo ho e no kofa position e no de ma NDC ni inti emfani no Martin Amidu e resign ye se ontimi ento adwuma no so o resign ni ehwe de ade adwuma no ebema no anche ena nanado e appointee kisi ajaben eno de woye party ba ankasa na yenkohwe a nansan kisi ajaben so gina bonten keka nsem bia chese ano ade ono kra de wo gina bonten eto da de lumba nwom ankwanoma
ese ame ankwanoma me de me kra abo afore me ye de metumi emre so a ekọ
wa mananso ha o say we are heading towards June na enya kakra a murderer will boldly walk to court and seek for an injunction.
Very soon, a murderer will boldly walk to court to seek an injunction.
And some way, and I'm there, bro. About saying and abasa, but more than so, be pressing notification button for more videos. Not subscribing to channel on the DJKA Nyansapo. Nothing so. What press the bell notification icon? Do pay money transfer. Or Canada, America, na person send this Canada bag and kwade no, and I make come from us so will be using any mean so etimi akuyi ama. Who send this Canada use me promo code no DJKA and no you see ubenya scanny be the account sika home. Kai see a rate here, ye send this Canada was reaching will be adie. I feel sniper who send this car brand in Ghana and so no yen ten capre. I feel young consuming. Usafo ayata samai so abwaso. Na usha we a box house. Come on, more than one now, but we a Jeffrey. And easy, say, we not time yet to say. Maybe on light waha, a quiny, a BBI, and so on Sabaka BBI. See, Bomodi answer, so if you ever contact me, say, about from a number 0244 547468. DJ came from Yankasa. Namino any home como 0244 547468. 68. A 5-bedroom urema. Miduba room na washe. Enyema a woman said ye. Emu ACB etie. Ye was study room. There's a house and toilet and bath. Na ura ho. Utimu say yes. A jumano. If you and a complete one any si ono. Aha. Complete one na a danche one. You say any bay. Tibomodi answer be contact me. And never have first come fabric ruby some fancy die. I feel now simple bonum. Would you be contacting me? Wait, and as they say, a dead justice is here, Milton. To from a number 0244 547468 0244 547468. From his AC and the income was it. That's it. I was a force that make a plot the tree in case they be our over to cry a swimming pool, a tree, swimming pool, and as a diver from a dicey ever sign up a tree, a full plot. And as a better apprentice, Mr. Omadi also contacted me, said the American, and we should kill us now. Just a dino, Yashada Esidino Ankasa, the Shada Sidino, said the Bayer Obetinema Unya problem be a Hanyadia in Subeto, Amakas in Suababira family, any other day. I feel a baby. Omadi also contacted me. Now, yet a tablet and not nature, no. Wait to be proud to. Now, 7 previous, I also beat him cry, I'm a rank. Try now, I will treat. Now, Musumi be an announced who may begin to if you are hanging now, see a camera, a prophobia, as some more hanging will be out with Scott. As I say, yes, Sabi, what's another beer? Sabi call for Obuwa. Now, a baby, you offer the granite in Tiadia, dear Sabiano, not yen in a mufi near Sasani, my area, how will be out on the Kakrawa. And into Bomodi answer over Baha. Now, also waiting me, Abba. Na wababa jifino From a number no enu ne gu ase 0244 547468 0244 547468. Enchaye na OSP Office of the Special Prosecutor Office no yeje mu edema akisi ajaben wa bra na mate amidu se wa bre sanse ohwene ma bi ekoso a untimi ento aso na ye nyina ye ni Madam Cecilia Dapa ensensem ye ba ya $1 million bi ekoba se se ne house girl na ekowia ya ekoye hu nsem bebra se special prosecutor akofa nsem ya ohwehwem na special prosecutor kraba abonten e de sun bi beto madam ne so se until see ebehwehwe sansem no mawie no ne niema bi kra wo ha oni access to anche e na court ba abonten se special prosecutor ne nsem a okeka no ontwi break kakra na Madam Cecilia Dapa onye hwe bebre kra kirema $1 million ni sika bia na keka ho no eye ni nua be ma eye nsan abo a omboye e na omkonyae na no na OSP tena hodi no ze mama me position se corruption ba me hwehwem na fe ba ne sen e na me ye madwuma asemu interrupt anya papa ne de e ma ampa court ko so e hye se yenjai Madam Cecilia Abena Dapa sanse oni efo na nsemi na anya special prosecutor de a oba abonten se akwa se tonkoku okura ne dua wa mama adwuma semenye na fe se adwuma kro na meye na ase wo san etwitwatwitwa me nantini esan ye niema bi a mepese meye no mo mpese meye eba ne sen eba sa na eha adwen enu nti ase oman we yenye ready say ye be fight corruption prosecutor e kan nsem bebre kisi ajaben wa bra na oba abonti a na okasa fa nsensem a asisi ono ahwe a na nani enye ho yenko na yenko tie ensem a special prosecutor e kan
Meanwhile, we know that in our law, no one has the right not to be arrested. No one. You cannot say, I'm granting a person a right not to be arrested. So, when we receive judicial decisions like that, it beggars belief to us that we will be prevented in arresting a person who we believe to be a fugitive from justice. What if we were not investigating corruption? What if the person was a suspected murderer, as I said, or a suspected armed robber? The person would be running around in the streets with an injunction on law enforcement agencies not to arrest him. This is not a breach of the law by the OSP. This is dismissiveness of its work. A judge is seeking to prohibit investigations. It's unheard of. You may disagree with us with the outcome of our investigation. That is a debate of the law. We're all lawyers. You got elevated to the bench because you're a lawyer. Law is not an exact science, so 1 + 1 is not necessarily 2 in the law. Depends on what you can establish. But then again, no one has the right in Ghana not to be investigated. And the statutory power to investigate for corruption and corruption-related offenses is that of the OSP. So if a judge seeks to injunct or prohibit an investigation, the judge is arrogating the power of the OSP to himself. You get it? By deciding who should be investigated and who should not be investigated. But it is not the duty of the court to do that. Wait. Let us bring before you the body of our investigation as evidence. Now, if you look at it and you decide that the evidence does not show up to the standard of proof required in criminal cases, then you can dismiss it. But don't prevent us from doing our work, from investigating. It is dangerous. As I said, I wasn't sounding as a prophet of doom, but there is doom looming ahead of us. That very soon, a murderer will boldly walk to court to seek an injunction. Should I feel frustrated and resign? I took an oath when I was sworn in. And in my life, when I take on the reins to do something, I do it to the best of my ability. I ought say what tree. Those who do not understand tree, please forgive me. They say I'm Kwanoma. Me de me cry about for it. Me hear the me to me. Emre swan. Eko.
Nanu si yepe ene Paul Adomochiri is a special prosecutor. Kisiye Jabin, shut up, shut the hell up. Osi muawano, aden na wote sa. Osi wakola kuma 43 years. Yama office enti say, kobusa, your friend is saying, Martin Amidu. Obetena getting to 3 years, 4 years. Busa, so no ni yama kana. Encheye, why a budget over 23 million? Edi akoma aban siama bulletproof cars. Na den kisiye Jabin, obe fight corruption and as yese kopata ntokwa. Ewo Congo. Bulletproof cars na watro aye budget dia koma aban siem fama no ede ade na wode ye asiye so too much oniema bi wo ho a wo ya ye de ani ne hwe udin Martin Amidu enya sa special office na ye de ma wo no oba ye aban ye bibia e wo so obeye de obeka bia ye de ma wo enu ti die na ne ugina bonte a wo kasa afa de wo to da de lumba nwoma nkwanoma e de kire o se krache muano ne sa adwuma no hwe ne se wuntime nya fatuo ne onkofo bebre ho a omopa adwuma no aye yenko na yenko tie Paul Adomochiri wabra no no so sane agu special prosecutors.
Look at the balderdash that he's throwing about. You go and sit in taxpayers' armored vehicle and come and tell us you are born. What are you talking? You want that you cannot resign. How is he going to resign? You are sitting in taxpayers' armored. Get out from the armored vehicle and go to your house. You come and take taxpayers' money to go and 3.5 million to go and buy 2 cars and come and sit there and do Elton, OT3, Abo Onidu, and then balderdash like that. Who does he think he is? 43-year-old boy. You take taxpayers' money and go and buy armored vehicle. 43-year-old boy. You go and buy armored vehicle, right to Minister of Finance. I want armored vehicle because I'm special prosecutor. Martin Amidu was Attorney General for 13 years. 13 years, Martin Amidu was Attorney General, going to court, coming back and forth. 13 years, Martin Amidu was sitting there as Attorney General. He became Special Prosecutor. Did he ask for BMW 750, 1.3 million? Did Martin Amidu ask for that? Martin, you said that 43 years old. How much work have you done? Then you become a government something. You make them insult government people every day. You make the politicians look so bad. You heap insults on people. What is that? 43-year-old boy, you come and say, I want a armored vehicle. You put the black armored Mercedes there. Let me show you to viewers. This is the car he wants. Look at all these cars. What is he doing with all these cars? Then you come and pretend that you are suffering. Should I get frustrated? You are talking about frustration. Ghanaian taxpayers cannot pay anything. They can't pay school fees. They can't pay their MTN bills. MTN is increasing bills. They are not frustrated. You are frustrated when you have taken the taxpayers' money to go and buy this. Auditor General, you have to audit Kisi Ajabin. Auditor General, please, Article 187, look for it for me, Kweku. Article 187, the duties of Auditor General. It's in 187. 1872. Get me 1872. Article 1872 of the 1992 Constitution. Let me show you to viewers. You Kisi Ajabin, you sit down there and Ghanaian taxpayers cannot buy MTN. And you come and stand here and ask whether you are frustrated. You have taken the taxpayers' money. That's why they can't buy MTN. You've collected their money to go and buy armored vehicle. 43-year-old Akola. You've gone, you have a government job. You write to Minister of Finance, I want armored car. And he's still sitting there, pretending that he's looking for corruption, pretending he's chasing corruption. All that he does is balderdash. What work is he doing there? Look, President Akufo-Addo and his people, they should come clean on this matter. I don't even get it. They should come clean on this Kisi Ajabin nonsense going on. They should come clean on it. What's the president doing? What kind of 43-year-old boy come and ask you that, go and buy me a armored car because of special prosecutor, and they agree?
Paul Adomochiri no, o se da bia nsu so sa ne ma no so. Masa, ase ye pampa too much. Ase tirimude bi obekoso aye adwuma na ye untimi nyanso a fa adwuma no to. Na Paul Adomochiri anu sie na me ye semekọ akọpẹ. Eye requester, eye special prosecutor. Edi akoma aban ne se ohia cars na abusia mensa akabi. Eno ene da ho no. Or request for 16 cars. Now out of 16 cars no emu 4 bulletproof. Or say ohia 3 bulletproof Land Cruisers, 1 Lexus Sports Plus, 1 Mercedes-Benz S500, 1 BMW 750 Li, ene cars bebre na ekeka ho ene sabre special prosecutor esu ohia na okeka ni nyina boma mempo de na me say 23 million 29 million over 29 million Ghana cedis ena oka bomu a ubenya eno ene sabre special prosecutor aka kire aban say ohia saa cars no na ono nso etimi ayusu ewo no office so na eno na ama Paul Adomo chiribu afu a ono nso eba special prosecutor say oni ho kwan say oba abonten ebegu aban nanim ase san say ono ankasa niema ye ma no no omo DMPP achi achekura no yenye se bi ma omo Paul Adomo chira no si ya pe ene Kwame A+ say MPP4 mo kasa too much unim die enti akisi agyabe hia saa aka ase no kofuo bi pese omuku no Kwame A+ bi stronso ena make ken you osin kofuo bi pese omuje special prosecutor kisi agyabe enkwa efri ne nsem eni nti A+ atro letter ten ena odi aba beto ni page letter no offer edi kan ni ochiche mu mienu eni nti ma me reading na me fantro also you want to kum someone. You have made 5 attempts on his life this year alone, but you are angry. He has requested bulletproof cars, which is requirement under the law that set up his office. Me ba to say, mo pese mu kum obi. Na this year nko amaye 5 attempts empre maku num na matry a mo pese mo gikisi agyaben enkwa efri ne nsem. Enu nti adenti ena office na nkasa ehye ne se ye ma ne saa niema no all request na afi no problem ewo ho minim se special prosecutor office no sa requirements ne de ma wa eka ho dia ba sa na Kwame A+ eka. Did the special prosecutor set up the OSP? Should I release the photos of all attempts, or you will shut up over there and allow the man to do his job? Like he should avail himself for killing Abi. I'm surprised he didn't even request for bulletproof bulldozers. Also, special prosecutor no one set up office na Kwame A+ and some ubisa no. Na mo pese sa attempt na moya mo pese mo gikisi agyaben enkwa free ne nsem no. Me release photos ana. Emra bonten. Osimu wano wo ho. Na mo ma brantie no enye na adwuma mo pesa. Anasa nka mo pese wonye agya no ho na nka munku no. I'm surprised he didn't ask for bulletproof bulldozers. You have children, but every day you want to kill somebody. If you like, ask police to invite me for questioning. Like the things I will say, I'm calling you bluff. Kwame A+ says, Samopa, Mama police if we invite no. Sanso one sem kapa. And sembi koswa edika. Tise please for invite na. Osu onsro obeyi ni nyina de agu ho. And you, Samuel Brian Boabeng, stupid boy. They want you to kum someone, and you are there fooling. I think that Samuel Brian Boabeng Eka, your friend is saying Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, ni team no eho. Na eno na Kwame A+ which says Samuel Boabeng ono NMC abone pa him say opese ojikisi agyaben enkwa efri ne nsem. At your age, people still use you for dirty works, for queens. Penintoto, Tintinto, Ofui, Jimmy 4. If you are a man, just write Kwame A+ on your page. See, Anka, I will touch your liver. Or still, baby, I would rebrand. Baby, I won't fear re. A man for you, see, Edu ye dirty work, near Pequency be near the amount. Nessa wopa. Bomeme Kwame A+ din ewo page. Nenka be hunu se. Mes so mere buom. Also spiritually and physically. I want to say things that I will make you angry so that you will call Ghana police. Also spiritually and physically. obe deal with you no person o kan sem we be ma wo afre Ghana police na ahwe a statement no o target Ghana police. I've tagged them so they have heard me. Run to them now. Osama target Ghana police enu nti dwane kwoto a o mu sesi a Kwame A+. Me patcho second page no, second paragraph no. Say I'm going to tell Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to advise you if he is serious about breaking 8. Ujimi na obi entumi nkanchro no. If you are a man, go on your page and just write Kwame A+. Anka ubedi WMT. Anu de mean to me enkanwa. Anka Ghana will turn upside down. Leave the OSP to do his job. Don't try. Don't. O try. Obebre, I swear to God. You have judges, we have judges. You have police, we have police. You have military, we have military. You know national security, I know everything. A lot of people are not happy with this government and they are solidly on our side. I know the system too well. Also, some judges say, judges, unim police for, unim soldiers for. They say, unimwa. Conform I peeved with this government, you know. So unim ankwamwa, and some conforming in answer, no. Omo yen side. You people did same to Charlotte say. You did same to Dom Levo. You did same to Martin Amidou. You did same to Dr. Anya. Just mention a few. And Abdul Malik Kwaku Baku. Sekwaku 102. Papa Penny like you. You were our childhood icon. When people are fooling, you will make your mouth like fence. And will be there giving backup for the obvious. All of you should go and F yourself. Me, I know they see anything. If you like, let's all sleep today and wake up tomorrow in peace. Kwame A+ and Sama Odiaba Bonteno no. Se special prosecutor. Bisasi e man e kasa. Enye se bia oje no de akosi fie e de akoma na yere ana okochicha ama ne ma. Na emu bulletproof cars na obisa no. Eye cars o de bo no ho by sansen kofo bia plan. Some person yi ni free asase so. No se se friend police station so a o nsem bibreka o photos a o de be back in evidence. Aha. DJK Nyansapo TV. But more than subscribe to the channel, no press the notification button for more videos. May that say, my crowd, bye bye.